Bertu u Filip iddeċidew illi għamlunna silta li għandu l-istrumentu illi doqqwet li jgħidulu
Cajon.
Cajon. Di li sarek dal-istrument xejdinna dwaru.
Kaxxa tad-daq u banketta.
Ma bħali jien kaxxa tad-daq.
Huwa strument perkussiv, oriġinali Spanjol, li huwa parti mill-istrumenti li nuża jiena fl-imkien ma'
Mela, l-ħaġa, grazzi tal-li uġbotkom magħna u taqsam l-esperjenzi tal-band magħna Skald, jiena ħeġġitkom idħlu YouTube channel ħalli tisimgħuhom u gawdu minn dan il-ħoss verament sabiħ. Mela ħan nistidnek u l-kanzunetta illi tista' nippreparaw biex tibda li ġdiħa nippreparaw ħan nitxaqal u daqxej, ħan nibda nħoll naqra l-muskoli jina.
U għalikom Cajon, Antonella bħala spin,
Mela.
John bħala backing vocals.
Isma, u inti ġbeda jġilak da ċek kollu int. Xeċet jġilak illum?
Komplimana fuq il-bowl.
Twaqaw kisser.
Il-perkussjonijiet,
Għed titellif fil-konċentrazzjoni.
Percussion, so.
Tlana? Kobana, tlana.
She was a showgirl with yellow feathers in her hair and a dress cut down to there. She would merengue and do the cha-cha. And while she tried to be a star, Tony always had the bar, cause the promise floor worked from 8 till 4. They were young and they had each other. Who would ask for more at the go back and back. Fathers but not of Cabana at the go back to back. Music and passion were always in fashion at the Cobo. They fell in love. His name was Rico, he wore a diamond. He was escorted to his share. He saw Lola dancing there. When she finished, he called her roll up. But Rico went a bit too far. Tony sailed across the bar, and then the bounces flew. Chairs were smashed in two. There was blood and a single gunshot. But who shot who at the go back to town? On the spot, not of the town. At the go back to back. Music and passion were always a passion of a go She lost her love. She lost her love. Miss Lola, she was a showgirl, and that was 30 years ago when they used to have a show. It's a disco, not fun for Lola. Still in the dress she used to wear, faded feathers in her hair. She sits at don't rewind, thinks herself outline. Lost her youth, lost her Tony, she lost her mind at the go back to back. A hardest but not of Cabana. At the go back to back. Music and passion were always passion at the go. loves her well. She loves her well.